Thanks for staying on with us. It's circling around the 21,580 mark for the frontline index. As we said, a lot of those rate sensitives are under pressure in today's trading session and the broader market's quiet. Time to find out those chartbuster ideas. Kunal and Nooresh right back with us. And Kunal, take us through your top idea.
So I'm going for a contra buy over here and a stock from the auto pack, Eicher Motors. And interestingly, the stock has come back towards a major trendline support, at least on the short-term charts. Now, this is the recent charts over the last 2 months for Eicher Motors. The move started off over here for the stock when the stock was at 3,300. Towards a point where at 4,100 mark, as you can see that the stock has clearly taken a resistance. So it tried to break past above this level, failed to do it. Again, second time the stock attempted towards a breakout, failed to cross over. You saw the stock getting into selling. The third attempt was also very similar in terms of the outcome. Now, interestingly, this is the support trend line for the stock. So this was the first time the stock took a support, at 3,800 odd mark for Eicher Motors. This was the second attempt towards 3,850 approximately. And this is, yesterday's chart, where the stock took support at 3,850 odd mark. So which means that this support is a very important or a key support for the stock. I'm expecting the stock to bounce back from current levels and possibly head back towards a breakout of this 4,150 mark. So for a short-term trader, the risk reward is attractive to go for a contra buy and look out for targets in the range of 4,100 to 4,150 for Eicher Motors.
Okay, and Nooresh, what's the chartbuster you're spotting?
So that's the chart for Symphony Limited. After being a big multi-bagger back in 2010 to 2015, the stock topped out and has been sideways for the last 6 to 9 years. If we look at the charts, it made a bottom around this 800 mark back in 2015, then in 2018, even in 2020 and 22, 23 as well. So now also very recently it made a bottom around that. In the last 1 week, we've seen a good jump in volumes and it's on verge of a short-term breakout about the 920, 930 mark. So a good risk reward trade here if this makes a move from here could go towards 1,200 plus levels. Stop loss to be placed at 870.
All right, let's nail it down to those individual stock calls as well. And Kunal, what are your top picks?
So in AB Capital is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. The stock is heading towards a breakout, a trendline breakout of a 5-month correction for itself. So looks attractive from a risk reward play. Targets of 180, stop loss at 165. And Indus Star is also heading towards a breakout of a bullish flag pattern about 203 levels. So buy with a target of 218, stop loss at 196.
All right, Nooresh, let's get in your recommendations. What's looking good on the charts?
So first is a buy on Syngene, a strong base made here and pharma as a sector doing well. Stop loss at 705, target price of 780. Second is a buy on Taj GVK Hotels, which has seen good volumes in the last 2 sessions. Could be a momentum trade. Stop loss at 238, target price of 275.